Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this cool 3D typography in Adobe Illustrator. So you can start by writing your text first. Here I'm going to type in, for example, just write hello, and after that you can change the font into the one that you like. For example, I'm going to change the font into this Rockwell extra bold, and you can also change the size of the text. After that, you can just click on this, click on the text, right click, and then click on create outlines. So the text will go like this. And after that, here you can go to effects and then find this 3D and materials, go to the 3D and choose rotate. Now enable the preview and the position, change it into the isometric top. Now click on OK and then go to edit, click on copy, edit again, and now choose to paste in front. Now click on this color and then change it into white. Change the fill. Click on OK, and then after that go to objects, and then here go to the develop distort, and here choose the make with mesh. And after that going to change the rows into 3, and let's do it. This is the preview, and click on OK. Now let's click this, and here you can adjust. Don't forget to click on this direct selections tool. Now you can just adjust the positions like this, the position of the text to your liking. You can adjust it how you like it, like so. I'm going to just leave it like this, and that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.